We'll guide you through how to import Google Map data into Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once the page is ready, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing sheet that you want to use. After selecting the file, wait until the worksheet appears clearly on the screen. Next, decide where you want to place the data columns that will store the imported information. Click the first column cell where the header will be written. In that cell, type name as the first column title. Then move to the next column in the same row and type address 1 for the first address field. After that, move to the next column again and type address 2 for the second address field. Move to the next column beside it and type phone number as the next header. Observe the headers arranged horizontally in one row. After preparing the spreadsheet structure, open Google Maps in your browser. Click the search bar in Google Maps and type a location search, such as restaurants in California. Press Enter on your keyboard to perform the search. After the search is complete, observe the many restaurant results appearing on the map and in the results panel. Next, look at the search bar URL at the top of the browser window. This address contains the link for the search results. Copy the Google Maps link from the browser address bar. Once the link is copied, return to the Google Sheets tab. In Google Sheets, click the first cell under the name column where the imported data will begin. Type the equal symbol to start a formula. Then type the formula IMPORTFROMWEB. After typing the formula name, paste the copied Google Maps URL inside the parenthesis. Add quotation marks on both sides of the link so the formula reads the URL correctly. Next, highlight the header's name, address 1, address 2, and phone number that you created earlier. After selecting the headers, close the parenthesis to complete the formula. Press Enter on your keyboard to run the formula. Soon you will observe restaurant names appearing automatically in the sheet. Carefully review the imported data and check whether any information is incorrect. Finally, organize the table so the data appears neat and structured.